Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change your password on the Moonpay application. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to, of course, the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Moonpay application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Moonpay if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us here. So in the top of the corner, as you can see, we have the buy, sell, and swap options. We also have the Moonpay account, popular tokens, and in the top right corner, we have notification, default currency, theme, support, privacy, delete your account, and the logout option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change your account password on Moonpay. First of all, as I told you, you need to go and log into your Moonpay account. Then navigate to settings, click on the gear icon in the top right corner. So click on the gear icon. Here you need to go and find the security. So find and click on security option. Then click on change password. Click on change password and follow the prompts to enter your current password and then your new password. If you encounter any issues, you can always reach out to Moonpay support team for, of course, their assistance. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. As guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.